Rotating your tires is crucial for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Because Teslas are front-wheel drive and utilize regenerative braking, the front tires experience significantly more wear. Watch as the front tires wear much faster than the rear ones. This uneven wear can reduce tire life and affect vehicle performance. Regular rotation promotes even wear across all four tires, extending their lifespan, improving handling, and maintaining optimal safety. Tesla recommends rotations every 6,250 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Tesla's recommendation of rotating tires every 6,250 miles aligns with the unique demands placed on EV tires. Front tires wear faster due to steering, braking, and regenerative forces. Ignoring rotation leads to uneven tread depth, reducing traction, energy efficiency, and potentially causing premature tire failure. As of 2025, Tesla reports that 85% of service visits for tire-related issues involve uneven wear, underscoring the importance of regular rotations. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools: a jack, lug wrench, wheel chocks, and a tire pressure gauge. Your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y comes equipped with factory jack points and basic tools in the trunk. Jack stands are highly recommended for safety. Ensure you have the correct torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque, 140 feet-pounds, 190 newton-meters. First, park your Tesla on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Turn off the vehicle completely. Use wheel chocks behind the rear wheels to prevent rolling. Before lifting the vehicle, slightly loosen the lug nuts on all four wheels. This is easier to do while the tires are still on the ground, providing resistance. Refer to your Tesla owner's manual for the exact location of the designated jack points. These points are reinforced to handle the vehicle's weight. Carefully position the jack under the jack point and slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is off the ground. Place jack stands securely under the frame near the jack point for added safety. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Remove the lug nuts completely and carefully detach the wheel. For Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the recommended rotation pattern is front to back on the same side. This means swapping the front left tire with the rear left tire and the front right with the rear right. Do not cross-rotate unless your tires are directional, as this can affect handling. Carefully mount the wheels back onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Lower the vehicle until the tires touch the ground. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to 140 feet-pounds, 190 newton-meters, again in a star pattern. Finally, fully lower the vehicle and remove the jack stands. Double-check the lug nut torque after driving a short distance. After rotating your tires, recalibrate the Tesla's tire pressure monitoring system. You can do this through the Tesla's touchscreen menu, or sometimes by driving at a consistent speed around 25 miles per hour for a few minutes. Check the tire pressure and inflate to the recommended PSI, typically 42 to 45 PSI for Model 3 and Model Y. Inspect the tires for any damage to ensure they are in good condition. Log the service in the Tesla app for your records. Regular rotations ensure optimal tire life and vehicle performance.